Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Would your vehicle pass a safety inspection? Well, today we're talking about a lot of things that go into that without question. I'd like to start out with one of the safety things, and that is lights. We have several different bulbs here between headlights and turn signal bulbs and brake lights, etc. And the point to this is that over 22% of vehicles running around on the road have at least one light out. One of the other items when it comes to service is fluids for sure. Between coolant system flushes, engine oil changes, transmission services, power steering fluid, brake fluid, etc. More than 30% of vehicles out there need one of these fluids serviced, and it's in really bad order. And then we can talk about items such as air filters and belts that need to be changed. 17% of vehicles need a belt replaced that are ready to break. 22% of vehicles need an air filter. And something like 14% of vehicles out there running around actually have check engine light issues. If you're having concerns with your vehicle, or you want your vehicle to be safe for your family, get it inspected and repaired properly at the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.